this 2017 Mercedes SL550, and as you can see, the customer had a little accident. He hit the front grille and pretty much destroyed it. Got to get a whole new grille. This part's broken. This bezel's broken. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of the factory style grille and instead upgrade to the GT style AMG grille. Let's do it. The grille is officially installed. GT grille. Use the sensor holes, mount the star, and this is all black, gloss black, no chrome, so very sporty look. I think very great upgrade, plus a lot less money to buy the aftermarket GT grille than buying the OEM factory grille. Cost you about half the money, so very nice upgrade. Customer is gonna be thrilled.